In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Printify order routing. Order routing is a simple way to keep your customers' orders moving when something goes wrong behind the scenes. If a product goes out of stock, gets discontinued, or a print provider becomes temporarily unavailable, Printify can automatically send that order to another provider. This helps you avoid delays, stock-related cancellations, and customer support headaches without you having to scramble for a backup at the last minute. To turn this on, start by going to Printify and signing in to your account. Once you're in, open your store settings. Click on Stores, choose the store you want to manage, and then click Store Settings. You're now in the right place to control how orders are handled. Next, head to the Order Settings section. Inside there, look for the Order Routing option. This is where you'll enable the feature and define how strict or flexible you want routing to be. Enable order routing by checking the option to turn it on. From now on, if a product in an incoming order can't be fulfilled by your usual provider, Printify will try to route it automatically to keep the order on track. The goal is to match what you're selling as closely as possible while minimizing disruptions. Before you save, set your maximum additional cost per item. You'll see a field for this with a default amount around $2. This is the extra budget you allow Printify to spend per item when routing to another provider. If your profit margins are tight and consistency matters more than speed, keep this number low. If fast shipping and order completion are top priority, consider raising it a bit so the system has more options. As a quick example, if your usual cost is $10 and your cap is $2, routing won't choose a provider that would cost $13 per item. Now choose your routing type. With exact product match, orders only move to another provider that offers the exact same product. This is the safest choice for brand and model consistency. With similar product match, orders can move to the closest possible alternative with comparable quality and material. This gives the system more flexibility to fulfill on time, though small differences like brand or slight sizing variations can occur. When you're done, scroll down and click Save. Don't skip this step. Your changes won't apply until you save. That's it. You can revisit these settings anytime as your margins, product mix, or priorities change. Once enabled, routing works quietly in the background, helping you deliver on time and keep customers happy.